What's up guys, Joey here of Yugatech, and we were invited by Sony to witness the launch of their latest flagship 4K OLED BRAVIA TV, the A9G, as well as the X950G and the X850G series. But in this video, we're going to focus more on the A9G because that thing is packed with some really awesome stuff. So what are we waiting for? Let's get rolling. Okay, so we all know that Sony is unstoppable when it comes to producing amazing OLED TVs, and the A9G is no exception. Just like the A8F from last year, it comes with the same acoustic surface audio technology, which means the sound comes from behind the screen itself. This time though, it's improved and has a new feature called TV Center Speaker Mode, which allows you to use the TV as the center speaker. So for example, if the action is happening on the right side of the frame, then you're going to hear the sound coming from the right side of the TV. Pretty cool, huh? We also love the fact that it's really slim. The same thing that we loved with the A8F from last year, as it blends effortlessly in any room. It comes with Sony's X1 picture processor, which delivers the ultimate 4K HDR viewing experience. And if you think that's all, they've also incorporated more eye-gasmic technology, including object-based super resolution, object-based HDR remaster, super bit mapping, 4K HDR, and dual database processing. And to top things off even further is a feature called Pixel Contrast Booster. As the name implies, it boosts the contrasts, especially in bright areas, without losing details. It also gives way for deeper blacks and great viewing angles. What's also cool about this TV is that you don't need a remote to do voice search. It's hands-free, so you can simply just talk to the TV if you want to search for something. Other features include Netflix calibrated mode, IMAX enhanced, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. It will come in two models, 65-inch and 55-inch. Pricing is yet to be announced, but expect that it's going to be hella expensive. Availability, according to Sony, will be sometime around the third quarter of this year. Let's also quickly check out the X950G and X850G 4K HDR series. These TVs use LED panels instead of OLED. Both series will come in four sizes: 55-inch, 65-inch, 75-inch, and a huge 85-inch. Only the X950G sports the same processor and display technology as the A9G, but both TVs look great nonetheless. Both of them also have this new sound technology called acoustic multi-audio, which makes the viewing experience way more immersive. They will also come with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Hands-free searching will also be available in the X950G, while the X850G will only come with an easy-to-control smart remote. Both TVs' pricing are yet to be announced, but availability, according to Sony, will be in the second quarter of this year. So there you have it guys. Are you loving this year's wicked new Sony BRAVIA TV lineup? If you do, leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.